Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 2 of this modern house design. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to set up our level 1. So we have all the dimension right here. We put our grid lines and our walls, exterior and interior. And now we're going to continue working on this. And with this one, I just want to add in this dimension so that you guys can follow. And let's add in one more right here, like that. And why not here as well? Okay, so hopefully you guys can follow. So next thing we're gonna do is just go to architecture. Let's add in some doors. So click on door, and we're gonna add in this 762 by 2032 millimeters. So I'm just gonna add it here, and then let's add it right here. So you just need to press spacebar to change orientation and go from inner to outer. And then let's add it here as well. So spacebar to change orientation and from inner to outer as well. We're also going to add in a door right here. So we have an access from the garage or the carport. So we could add it here. And then from the washroom, we will have the door right here. And this one, both of them will be a bedroom. And this area is for what my friend marked as receiving. So we'll deal with that later on. So let's hit escape and then select this wall. What we're gonna do is we're gonna create an opening, so wall opening. So usually you just need to select this wall and it will be available under modify. So let's click on this, and then after that select the first line, which would be on this spot, and then the second line will be on this. So now we will have an opening wall here. We're also gonna add in a door to go to the outside. So somewhere right here. So from 1200. So let's add it there. And now we need to go to insert and let's load some family. So all this family are included on your Revit. So let's go to furniture and let's go to beds and let's add this embed dash box. Once you open it, you can go to architecture and then click on component. And here we could add in double, twin, or queen. So let's add a queen size bed here, like that. And then a twin on this spot. So we have our twin here and our queen size bed. Also, let's add in a closet. So what we have to do is we have to click wall and then edit type, and we're going to duplicate this. So duplicate this wall, and this will be closet, and then press OK, and then edit. We're gonna make the thickness to be 100, and then change this material to, let's say, let's click cherry for now. Bear in mind, I just pick random materials so that once I go to Twinmotion to render this, I'll be able to instantly change the materials. So the purpose of me doing it here so that I could change it automatically, because if you just leave it as default, you won't be able to change different materials on Twinmotion. So we have our closet wall selected. So we just need to add a closet right here, like that. So after this, let's go back to insert. We're gonna load up some um, like some fixtures. So let's go back to Canada, and then go to plumbing, architectural, fixtures, and then let's add in some urinals. So let's add in some sink. So this one, the vanity, open this up, go back to load, go to fixture again, and let's add in the bathtub. So let's add this or this one actually. Go back to load some families, and go back to fixtures, and go to water closets, and then let's add in the toilet. So once you do load it, go back to architecture, and you'll be able to click component, and then here you'll be able to select which one you need. So we loaded up a tub, which I'm gonna place on this wall, so it's perfectly snug. So like that, and then go back and let's add in the toilet, so which will be on this spot, and then after that go back again and then click component, and let's add in the vanity. So click spacebar to change orientation, and then let's add it like that. Let's go to annotate and detailed line, and we're just gonna add in a rectangle to represent the countertop or the work surface. So we finished the toilet. Let's finish up the beds. So here, let's add in the closet as well. And then go back to insert, and then let's load in some furniture for the bed. So we could add in tables, and then nightstand. So click component. So if you load it, once you click component, that's the first thing that will be available. So something to think about. And then let's add it here. And then let's snug it there using our arrow key. And then click on component again. And we'll be able to add it another nightstand this side. Let's add the fixture there, or like a lamp. So insert, load family, go back to Canada, and then so let's add in some lighting, architecture, internal, and look for lamp. So you can use table lamp. So let's use this hemispherical and then open. Similar, click on component. That will be the first thing that is available. But let's change the level. So elevation level, let's put it at 630, around 630. And put it in the middle of the nightstand. And it's looking good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna load a bifold 4 panel and a 2 panel. I'll make this available on a link on the first video series of this. So I'm gonna load 4 panel and 2 panel. So once it's loaded, you can click on component and let's look for it. It's actually going to be under door. So this 4 panel, and then let's add in the 2. So click on this one and we have the 2 panel. And then let's click on the arrow key just to nudge it on the left side. So that's perfect. Let's add in more details for this. So go to annotate and then detail line, and let's change this thin lines to demolish. So let's add in some lines here like that. So that's good. So let's just finish this side. So let's go back to insert. Let's add in some furniture again and go back to Canada and then furniture, and let's go to seating and let's look for a seating that is appropriate for this spot. So let's use this sofa and this chair. Press open. So this one is loaded. You can click component and we have the sofa first. So let's add the sofa right here in this spot. So it's over. You could just nudge it from the arrow key like that. And then now we could add in the chair. So for the chair, we need to look for it. So it's gonna be on this. So I think it's gonna be very big for the area. So what we could do is we could just add this one on this spot. And then let's add this one as well. So as you can see, you could also use CS or create similar for furniture or families. So we could add it right here for now. So our stairs gonna be right here, and then we could add in some furniture right here as well. So actually, let's add in one more. So I'm basically copying what my friend did. So you set it up like that. Okay. And then let's go and insert more, build family, and then let's add in a smaller chair. So let's add this, and let's add the other one as well. Okay, so go back to architecture and then component again. Let's add this chair, which is like that, and then we could just move it 180 and then go back. So around 30 degrees, something like that. And then after that, we could just mirror that using this draw axis. So we're going to mirror it like that. So let's move it like this on this area. So we could move it this. So that we don't have to see all of that. So that one is only for the dimension. So just move it from there. And then let's add in more. So go to insert, load family, and let's add in some tables. So furniture, go back, and then tables. So let's add in a coffee table. Go back. Let's add this dining oval. Go back again. So round table, let's add it that. And then go back to architecture and then component. So the first one is the round table. Let's add it on this area. And then go back to component. Let's add in this, the dining table. After that, we already loaded, we already insert the chair. So we just need to look for it. This chair, the chair brewer. So let's change the orientation. So like that. After that, we could just click one and then mirrored axis. And then click both of this and then hold on control button and then mirror it from the line. So everything is uniform and nicely placed. Let's add in the coffee table. So we just need to look. This one is the coffee table. So let's add it here. And then let's load up the TV. So go back, go to furniture, and then let's add in the flat screen. And then go to architecture again and then click component. Change the orientation and let's add it here. So let's add in some furniture. So insert. So let's add in more like storage. Let's add in this shelving. And then let's add in the entertainment system. So go to insert again, load family, and then the entertainment center. Like that. And then now we just need to arrange. So we have a nook here for some book shelving, and then they could read here. And then we have the living area with the entertainment system or center, and then they could watch TV as well. And then we have our dining area here. Now let's finish this up with the kitchen. So let's load some kitchen stuff. Go back to Canada and then go to casework. So let's countertop. Let's choose that. We need the sink. So this one will be good. And then go to component. So we need to add it like that. We could use this to stretch. Actually, let's need to go on this side. And push it like that. What we could do is we could add in some detailed lines. So go to annotate, detail lines, and use 10 lines, and then grab or click on rectangle. So let's add this. And then again, detail line, rectangle. This will represent the fridge. And then detail line again. This will represent the stove. But we need to add in more details. So click on circle. Like that. Click on this and then mirror it from the line and then click both of them together. Cancel this out. So you just need to create one and then mirror. So once that's done, let's add in some above cabinet. So we could use detailed line as well. And then this one will be the demolish and then just a line. So we could put it in the middle of So we will have a broken line here that represents that. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.